spent $1,000 on these shoes, bro. You will not believe it. I'm about to pick them up for you. Yo, what it do, man? Yo, what it do, man? Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy Almighty Tay, and please say the Tay, cause your will say it today. You feel me, man? And today, bro, we got a little updated shoe collection. You feel what I'm saying? 2021. You feel what I'm saying? By the looks of it, we gonna be here a little while. You feel me? But yeah, we ain't even gonna speak too much. We gonna get straight in it. But before we start this video, follow me on my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and follow me on TikTok. You feel me? Straight like that. And let's get into it. Get it. All right, man. We gonna start off with the ones today. We gonna start off with a pair of ones. You gotta start it. You gotta start your shoe collection off with a pair of ones. You got to. If you don't start it off with a pair of ones, it's not valid. But yeah, we got some ones. We got the, I don't know what these are called. I think they're called, these basically the broke boy union ones. The broke union ones. You feel what I'm saying? These is hard, man. I didn't even try to get these. You know how you just click something and be like, cause I was on like Nike sneakers and I was like, let me see if I win it. So I just pressed it and I actually won it. You feel me? But yeah, we got the Jordan 1s. Nothing really too much to say about it. I wear them sometimes. Well, technically I wear them a lot. If it's something that match with them, I wear them a lot. You feel me? I don't wear them too much though. Not the ones. You feel me? Next, bro, look at this box. These shoes. I've had these shoes for a long time. Guess what they are? They're the beautiful ones.
He needs some milk.
White on the camera, but these things in real life, bro, these things are brown, my guy. I definitely need to get another pair of ones, man. I have these for so long. These are just, I've been running, it looked like I've been running with Harriet Tubman with these on.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Underground Railroad with these on, man. Yeah, the beater ones. One like equals one prayer for these ones, man. One like equals one prayer for real. Y'all like the video. Like the video right now. Like the video. The ones. One like equals one prayer for these ones, man. Next. Worse than the ones. And these don't even, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at these, bro. Look at these. These are one of the first ever pair of shoes I got when I started working. I'm not even gonna lie. Back when I first got these were the Jets. Now, bro, these look like I've been running with Harriet Tubman. These I've been running with Harriet. These the Harriet Tubman 13s. You feel? What I'm saying, no cap. But yeah, we got the cap. I think these called the cap and gown 13s. Yeah, the cap and gown 13s. That's crazy. How is this still black and these brown? You feel me? But yeah, ain't nothing too much to say about them. Next, I haven't wore these shoes in so long. I only wore these like a handful of times and I haven't worn them anymore, bro. We got, dang, open. We got the what the 4s, man. I haven't wore these in so long, bro. I don't even think I'm probably not even ever gonna wear these ever again. You feel me? These are the ones that have like 2 different shoes. I think it's the military blues. Yeah, the military blues. What else was it? The cements and the breads. The cements. Not the Royals. I think they're the military blues and the fire reds. I think that those are what they all think. But yeah, bro, I'm probably not even gonna wear these anymore, bro. But these are fire, bro. These are fire, bro. But yeah, I remember when I first got these, bro. These junks were so fire, bro. But yeah, I took the insoles out and shit because my foot, I think my foot got a little too small for these anyway. Next in my collection, bro. Ooh. You already know, when you see the gold on this box, you already know what it is, man. You already know what it is. We got a pair of DMP 6s, you feel me? These is so fire. I love these shoes, man. These are one of my favorite, like, these are one of the most underrated shoes I got in my collection, bro. I just fuck with them so much. And I barely wear them. That's why they're so underrated. I barely wear them. They still look like they fresh off of StockX or something. But yeah, of course you're not gonna see it when you see the bottom. You'll know they not. But yeah, got DMPC. Nothing really too much to say about them, but they are one of the most underrated shoes in my collection, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think is the best shoe in my collection. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all let me know. But yeah, we got the DMP 6s straight like that. Next, oh boy, I love. Wait, is this the right ones? Yes. I love these. I love the colorway. I love what Jordan did with these shoes, man. I love what Jordan did with these shoes, bro. They a little dirty right now, but yeah, like you can't see it on the camera, but in real life you could probably see them a little bit. They ain't dirty too much, but yeah, we got the royal blue 14, bro. These are so hard.
Pause.
I'ma just need to get, bro, if anybody has a pair of, I think Rip Hamiltons, if anybody has a pair of those 9.5, DM me on Instagram. Right there, right in the middle. Y'all go follow me. Why you DMing me? Follow me. I follow back, you feel me? But yeah, these 14. These are one of the hardest shoes. These are another one of the hardest shoes I got in my collection. These are one of my favorites too. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, got the 14 decks. Bro, I got these. I ain't gonna lie. I got these just because I thought they were gonna be a limited type shoe, but they weren't. And when I actually bought them in person, I liked them in store, but once I started wearing them a little bit, I started to hate them. We got these are dirty too. I don't know if y'all can see it. These are dirty too though. We got the Jordan 3. What is the name of these? I think they're the fire red denims. These are what these called, the fire red denims. I'm not even gonna lie. My favorite, really, main reason why I wanted the shoe was the back. Because of the back. I don't know if you can see that. It has a Nike Air under the Jumpman. If y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see the dirt too. I know y'all can see it. These are dirty. These are dirty. But yeah, I wear these, like, these are my, like, you feel me? I just throw it, like, if I'm going somewhere, I just throw these on, you feel me? Because these probably about to turn into beaters too. These might turn into balling shoes. You feel me? When I start doing my my IRLs, 1v1 IRLs, bro, these are gonna be the shoes I'm gonna be rocking. I'm gonna be dropping niggas off in some threes. Y'all let me know if y'all wanna get dropped off. I'll drop anyone off. I'll drop anyone. If you're watching this, I will drop you off respectfully. If you don't think so, hit my DM, hit me on Snapchat, hit me on TikTok. You feel me? I will drop you off respectfully. Yeah, we got the Jordan 3 Fire Red Denims. Ooh! We got my favorite shoe in my collection next, bro. These are my favorite shoe, bro. I love these shoes, bro. And if y'all saw my first one, y'all already know what this is. These are my favorite shoes, bro. I love these shoes, bro. They're a little dirty right now. I gotta get them cleaned again. If y'all know some good shoe cleaners, y'all, again, hit me up in my DMs. Follow me. But yeah, we got the Black Cat 4s. Oh my, bro, I gotta throw both of them out because these shoes, I'm glad I got these shoes. These shoes are going for almost half a thousand now. These are like 500 now. And I'm happy I got my pairs, bro. I almost lucked out, bro. I really almost lucked out. Because I remember, I think it was one store. I think it was called Expressions. That's what the store is. They came out late at Expressions. Because, like, I'm going to tell y'all this little story. To get these shoes, bro, I literally, it was like a certain day at school. I literally left school to go get these. I left school to get a pair of these, bro. Cause I remember Expressions, they got them late because the COVID situation, and then the shipping, everybody's shipping was you feel me, delayed and stuff. But yes, I literally left school to get a pair of these, bro, and I'm happy I did. I left school to get a pair of these. That's why these are one of my most special shoes in my collection. It's also my favorite one. But yeah, I was like, teacher, this gotta wait. I gotta pick me a pair of Black Cat 4s. But yeah, that's the Black Cat 4s. Another favorite shoe in my collection, bro. I ran these to the ground too, bro. When I first got these, bro, we got the 12. No, these, I will buy another pair of these. Hit me wherever. I will buy another pair of these. 9.5. I will buy another pair of these. Can't even lie. We got the Royal, I think they call it the Game Royal. These are 12s, right? 12s. I'm sorry. You feel? Don't get on me in the comments for that. Don't not get on me in the comments. I always get these and 13s mixed up for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, we got the Game Royal 12s, bro. These are so sexy, bro. And especially, and on the camera, they look even better on camera. Like, they look good in real life, but they look even better on the camera. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And these are a little dirty. The camera's doing it justice. But yeah, bro, ran these to the ground too. Can't lie. So yeah, we got the Game Royal. No, Game Royal 12. I don't know. It's a royal blue. I just tell you like that, straight like that. Next, we got these. I spent a good bit for these. I'm not even gonna lie. These are one of the shoes I wanted my whole life. We got a pair of Jordan 7 Bordeaux, bro. I wanted these my whole life, and then I saw them. I had to buy them for resale. It was at a resale place, Laced Up, I think it's called. Yeah, Laced. I said Laced Up. It said right on the box, Laced. I had to pay, if y'all see that, I had to pay. Oh damn! The thing hit me in my face. I had to spend $350 for these, man. Damn, that hurt me. I had to spend $350 for these, man. And I'm glad I did, man, because I love these shoes, man. I love these shoes, and I barely wear them. That's another reason why they're a little dirty. I mean, they're a little dusty though, cause like, you feel me? Cause they were sitting on the shelf and shit. But yeah, Jordan 7 Bordeaux. I always wanted me a pair of these. Now, only shoe I really need to get now that I really want is a pair of military blue 4s. That's another thing I want, a military blue 4s, man. But yeah, nothing too special. Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Am I saying that right? Y'all let me know if I'm saying that word right. Next, wait, which ones are these? Oh, next, we got a pair. I think these are called, bro, y'all gonna hate me when you see these, man. We got a pair of 11, bro. Y'all, I know y'all can see that. I know y'all can see the dirtiness on this. Oh my God, bro. I was playing ball in these. I remember at my family reunion, I was playing ball in these, man. I messed these up. But yeah, we got a pair of Jordan 11 lows. I think these called the Concord Bridge. I think that's what these are called. Yeah, we just went Concord Bridge. I think that's what these are called. But yeah, nothing too special about them. You feel me? Nothing too special about them. But they're a dope. It's a dope colorway, bro. This is a dope shoe. I really rock with it. I really do. Ooh, original. You cannot go wrong with these. You can never go wrong with a pair of Jordan 5 Fire Reds, bro. You can never go wrong with a pair of Fire Reds, man. You can never go wrong with a pair of Fire Reds. You can never go wrong. They're so simple, yet they're so hard. It's not even doing too much, you feel me? You can rock these on a hot summer day, nice summer day, rock them with some shorts and a white t-shirt, you feel me? And you got a nice fit, you feel me? But yeah, we got the Fire Red 5. Ooh wee. Ooh, bro, I know I should have never. I bought these for retail too. I messed up by actually wearing. I paid $380 for these. If y'all was, I paid $380 for those, man. But yeah, I did wrong. These I said I was never gonna wear, but I did, bro. I did. And now I gotta get these clean too. These are another pair of shoes I gotta get clean. We got the pair of Jordan 11 Concords. I gotta get these clean too. They're not dingy, but you feel me, they're getting there. So yeah, I gotta get these clean too. But yeah, I got a pair of Jordan 11, Concord 11s, you feel me? What y'all think these is? Y'all let me know in the comments. I'll give y'all 5 seconds. And while you waiting, subscribe. But yeah, we got the Flint 13s, man. You can, bro, these are so hard. And they, like, when you put a flash on them, I don't know if y'all can see them. You might can see them. I don't think y'all can see it. But yeah, they glow when you put, because they're 3M. So they like glow when you put a flashlight or something on it. Bro, I've spent almost $1,000 on these shoes, bro. I'm about to show y'all the final shoe. This is a little bonus shoe. I spent $1,000 on these shoes, bro. You would not believe these. I'm about to pick them up for you. Gotcha, bitch. Got you. Nick your dumb ass. You feel me? But yeah, man. It's your boy Mighty Tay, man. I hope y'all enjoyed my shoe collection, man. I got a lot of fires. Y'all can see them again. I'm gonna let y'all see them. You feel me? They all up there. But yeah, man. This is Mighty Tay, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, bro. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, man. You dig what I'm saying? And click that notification bell, please. Please click that subscribe button. Please, please, please. I be editing these videos by myself. I do my videos by myself. I do my thumbnails by myself. I do everything by myself. So at least y'all can do is please like the video. Please just like the video and subscribe, please. And please get me to 1K followers on Instagram. Is right in the middle, right here, bro. Follow me on Instagram, bro. I follow back, you feel me? But yeah, whatever y'all want to see me do, y'all let me know, you feel me? And that's Almighty Tay, and we out here.